Okay.
Hey guys, it's me, Lewis, and today I'm gonna be doing a dinosaur hand puppet video. And so yeah, and I chose a dinosaur because I started to like dinosaurs, and I would do it for you because, well, yeah. Okay, got some of the tape. Kind of hard. Hold on. Check. What? Oh. Just put. Oh yeah, we got this. At my elbow. Oh wow, pop, pop, right open. So I got this today, obviously. What does it look like today? Plus, did I not make the video today? I say, yeah. I say, Blueberry Prime. I'm gonna try Prime once. It's gonna be orange. Orange Prime, guys. Come on. Sorry, it's just... Oh! Okay. 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 Oh. This is the puppet. It is sick and insane. So this is gonna be the puppet. Oh great, it's got 3 on it. Oh.